compilation are working hard, but you can relax. Because it's simply impossible not to tap into a zen feeling while looking at the construction workers who are so good at their job. Let's get it on. Even synchronized swimming champions can learn something from these guys working on the roof. The operator of this excavator definitely has no trust issues. These guys know how to save a couple of hours at a construction site thanks to their miraculous skills. Road markings have never been applied to asphalt so quickly. Sometimes you need to work very quickly, because one stormy wave can ruin your welding and you'd have to start over. Apparently, this bricklayer has been defying gravity for a long time now, since his colleague isn't afraid to stand down there. Seems like skyscrapers are built by people without the instinct of self-preservation. Although those who work below are just as fearless. A life hack, in case you're short on shingles. He could easily become a famous beat maker. Another guy who's wasting his talent on the construction site. Can you feel that beat? Take a look at how this machine has brought plastering to a new level. All that's left to do is put some finishing touches. Here's another machine that will help you lay the pavers as evenly as possible. Though it will never be as fast as these guys. By the way, they have some composition. That's probably the most relaxing job in the world. A giant TV antenna weighing a ton, a tower on top of a mountain where they need to mount it, and a few brave workers. Check out how they nail this challenge. The best design ideas are always the simplest and most non-obvious. A simple sponge, for example, can help you save a lot of money on finishes. Here's a brick-making technology Indian workers came up with. A tape measure is, of course, an important tool, but real professionals can work with what they have at hand. Here's a video for everyone who is tired of the daily office routine. Excavator operating level, replacing a broken track without leaving the cabin. And getting on the barge like this. There are no supervillains in this universe, but Spidey found a use for his powers anyway. Between a flat carpet and healthy knees, these guys chose the carpet. The guys who built new metro stations are just as happy as the passengers when they are opened. Check out these workers watching the tunnel boring machine breaking through. What a house on wheels should actually look like.
Mașinărie, mă, să moară familia, că nu-i mașinărie.
Take a look at the perfect craftsmanship performed by this pro.
Yeah, hello, Mr. George. I'm calling you, Mr. George, because
Watching professionals making a pool cover is as relaxing as swimming in that very pool.
yes, I saw him, yes, helping. And that's not good, you know, because he is making money for the landscaping guys. Oh, yeah, Mr. George, yes.
A little bit of heat magic, and it fits perfectly. The operator below was in dire need of a helping hand, and his colleague was there for him. Watch an interesting movie in a few minutes without rewind? Easy.
We got a great looking audience tonight.
The Sweet Popcorn channel has a mega convenient format waiting just for you. Short retellings of movies, from auteur films to Hollywood blockbusters. Pick up your unlimited ticket by clicking the subscribe button.